2026 is...
Hello mga mi! Welcome back to my channel. So this is, to those of you who are new here, my name is Yan. I am a makeup artist and also not a virtual assistant anymore. So nagbago na ang title ko. Ngayon ay ako na ang junior client, relationship manager. Wow! As a manager. Kaya nakaganto tayo for today's vlog. Charot. Hindi, for today's video, we are going to the Miss Universe Philippines 2026 Coronation Night. And we got our tickets na. Charot. So today is May 2. And it will be later tonight at later this evening at 7 p.m. So time check, it's 3:24 in the afternoon. We are on our way to Mall of Asia. Kain muna kami ng brunch na to kasi breakfast, di pa din nagbe-breakfast. And then mag-roam around lang, tapos hintayin namin yung start time. Usually start siya mga 2 hours after na call ng totoong oras dun sa ticket. So we still have time to make gala. And for today's video, I'm doing my makeup. Get ready with me here inside the car on our way to Mall of Asia Arena. So yeah, let's do this. So just to let you guys know, this is our third time to watch the Miss Universe Philippines live. And lahat yun sa Mall of Asia Arena. And yung first one namin, kanina nga yun? Hindi. Saan Bea?
Yung pa yan?
Huh? Hindi, yung first namin is kay Michelle D ba? Michelle D. Yung tayo ni Michelle D. Nung represent niya yung Makati versus Bohol. Wow, versus Paksahan. So, ayun, versus Bohol. Tapos yung second time, kay Atisa. Wow, last year. So, ayun, masaya yung experience kasi you get to see the queens that you just adore online. Wow, English. Tapos, ayun, makikita mo sila in person kung paano nila ginagawa yung mga lakad nila, ganyan-ganyan. Tapos, yung question and answer round. Syempre, mas iba yung thrill kapag sa live mo siya pinanood compared sa TV, of course. Kasi iba yung talagang andun ka sa audience, tapos narinig mo yung hiyawan compared sa TV na sabay ka na mag-isa, ganyan, or with your friends. So, and also, kaya kami nakaganso. Charat! Kasi binili namin ticket is for VIP regular. So, we're sitting in front of the stage. Not dun sa pinakababa, but dun sa medyo likod. Kasi, last year, nandun kami sa gilid, sa VIP. Ano ba yun, babe? Basta sa gilid, yun talagang as in, nandiyan lang yung mga beauty queens. Upper box. Tapos this time around, gusto namin sa harap namin sila. So, in-avail namin yung VIP na mapavoy, charot. Hindi yung nasa harapan, sa gitna. Tapos next year, who knows, baka ma-avail na namin yung talagang naka-gown na kami. Ganon. So, ngayon muna. Coat muna. Inisip na namin suotin yung baro. Tsaka yung gown. Anyways, makeup muna tayo for today's vlog. Yan. Okay guys, so tapos na tayo sa base makeup natin. Liquid foundation and also powder. So, yun, ito yung gamit ko ulit. Jimmy, of course, my go-to. It's my everyday everyday makeup. And now, we're using Full Color Blush On Powder. So, this is in the shade B02, Color Mix F825. And I'm using this blush on brush. Bili na kayo nito, guys. Sobra worth it. So when applying your blush on, of course, tap lang tayong ganyan para hindi putok yung blush on nyo. Tapos later pala makikita ko si Nawat. Oh my God, Miss Grand International All-Stars Edition. Tsaka nandun din si Vina. Siya yung Miss Universe Thailand last year na kalaban ni Atisa, which is siya yung first runner-up. And I'm not sure if nandun si Mexico. Baka surprise, nandun siya. Sa Mexico ba? Ha?
Meron pa siya.
Sa Mexico yung controversial win last year.
Sa Miss...
Miss Universe.
Talaga ba? Hindi ko naalala.
Siya yung nanalo, tapos parang hindi
Sino kalaban niya? Sino yung tapat na...
Runner-up na Thailand. Yun, nandun mamaya. Si Vina. Tapos mamaya na ako magli-lipstick, guys. And I'll show you yung mga eksena later pagdating namin dun sa venue. Kung sino-sino yung mga makikita natin. Of course, I'll show you the venue, so the stage itself, and also kung saan kami uupo. Tsaka yung mga makikita nating beauty queens. Yeah, we'll take a selfie with them. And I'll show it in the vlog. So, see you guys later. Lipstick ko later na. Bye! Okay. Rawr. So, andito na kami ngayon sa MOA, guys. Ano ba? Ayan. Perfect. Diba? Out of this world kind of buildings. Charot. Trip. Yan. Down the tour. So, Mall of Asia is complex, which is made of artificial sand. Wow. So this is an artificial island here in the Philippines, which is created back in a little bit of history. So ito kami ngayon sa Seaside Boulevard. So kakain muna kami, guys. A moment for the makeup. Charis. Ay! Wala ka. Haba ng bukas. And guys, so we have finally arrived here at Mall of Asia. Nasa mall lang kami ngayon. And later on, kain muna kami kasi we just landed. Airport.
Nakado pa.
Ay!
Nakabukas lang.
Sa May pa.
May pa.
May 7.
Okay. Iba yung House of Katsu? Same lang yan? Same lang yung House of Katsu? Iba yan?
Pares.
Parehas lang. Hey guys, so ayun, hindi kami pag-decide kung saan kami kakain and we ended up here at Dotonbori. Charan! Mahal kasi ng mga pagkain dito, girls. Char. Siya.
Chicken teriyaki.
And I'm not sure which one to get. I'm torn between ramen and rice bowl. Wow, ganda. Yaman. Pero mura dito, guys, ha. Parang nagre-range siya ng 300 pesos lang.
Wow, mura.
Hindi kasi yung kanina kasi 500 OA. Crazy garlic kasi dapat yung kakain na namin kaso ang mahal pala doon. So next time na lang. Magbagong sahod. Char! So ayun. Kain muna kami, guys. Ayan, guys. Guys, gusto niyo malaman na yung sinabi nung sabi kasi, puko-puko. Sabi niya kasi, so here is what we got. So, ano yung tawag na beef?
Tonkatsu.
Tonkatsu. Sa akin, beef gyudon. Tcharan! Pongko-pongko! And then we have sushi. Diba? Pongko-pongko! So, dito lang kami ngayon sa Bo's Coffee. Nagpapakalma bago ang puksaan. Char. Cheers. Feeling afam. Charis. So, ayun, guys. It's almost 7 and we're just waiting for the organization na magpapasok sa loob ng SMX Convention Center. Oh, sorry, sa Mall of Asia Arena pala. So, ayan, we're just waiting here and magta-touch up ako later. and I'll tour you inside afterwards. Hawak mo ang beat. Babe, hawak mo ang beat. Magulaan na po natin kung sino yung mananalo. Charis. Bosh.
Dito lang tayo mag-ano.
Yay! We are here!
Ibang stars.
Oo. Makikita na naman natin si ano dito. Gusto kong makita si Ian Kamangkang. Yan na, puksaan na.
Eh, kamasa.
Puksaan. Puksa. Ayan guys, so we are finally here. It's Universe 2026. Magsa-CR ka ba? Anong seat number?
Iba may ano?
G16.
May stash.
Ano pa?
5650 na. Iba may stash. Nabibili ba yun?
Oo, nabibili. Anong nakalagay?
Mission.
Ano ka? Ayun, Tagig. Oh, sige na ba ito? Charot lang. Gawin lang pala na.
Tama. Pwede ka na.
So, ayan guys. This is how chaotic the beauty pageants are. Parang trans yata yun.
Alam na bang sumali ang friends?
Oo.
Meron may kasali ngayon?
Dito kami ngayon sa, ano pag dito babe? Sa lobby. Dito yung parang ano nila, runway, papasok dun sa entrance. So, ayan yung entrance.
Pasok na ata sila?
Yan.
Hindi, wala naman siya
Hindi pa.
Alam gala siya na rin.
So, usually dito dumadaan yung mga judges. At saka yung ibang executive committee of the Miss Universe Philippines. So, ayan ako. Tignan nyo, daming bongga dito talaga, dai. May mga nakasash pa.
Dami ka, daming pipa. May pipa rin yun.
Oh, perfect.
I think sa second floor tayo.
Siyempre, di ko pakabog. Pupuksa. Pupuksa.
Wala ba?
Hindi mo kaya. So guys, so we're at the level 2. So dito yung VIP Kineso. We're just gonna ask if it's the right path. Pasok na ba tayo? So yeah guys, I'll show you what
Pwede naman lumabas
the
pa.
venue looks like.
Asa mo, the best na po.
To all our visitors, Baguhan, Mama Jane, good evening. Let's give it up for Jonas Gapro!
Nilaro. Executive.
Good evening, good evening. Kaya naman ako, magsasayaan tayo ngayon, mag-party tayo ngayon. Kaya naman, this is Miss Universe Philippines 2026!
Bakit parang drag show to?
Perfect lang dito, malapit.
Start na pala! Magkatabi?
Ito po.
Oh my God, guys! Ang ganda! setup is yung, hindi, parang sa Tutuban, Aquila Palace, parang ganon.
Tutuban tuloy, Malacanang.
Parang ganon, parang Aquila. Ayan guys. Ang dilim.
Share ka ba? Share ka na. Ako sunod.
Ayan guys, so balik kami mamaya pag nag-start na yung show.
Fiesta Chulucahuan Espinosa, Iloilo City. Meclintiman Pangasinan.
Oh my God, grabe!
Okay, opening up pa si Marina.
Ay, yung gown niya ng Miss Universe! Ah! Oh my God!
Welcome to the Hall of Beauty, Arts and Culture. On this stage, a new Filipino will rise to conquer the universe.
Grabe.
Feel the glow, soft and bright from head to toe. Now my beauty's
Grabe guys, so gorgeous. Ito kami ngayon sa Malacanang, Charis. So feeling ko ang inspiration nito is yung Crystal Aquila Crystal Palace dito sa Tagaytay kasi parang yung nag-organize yung stage si Sir Tay and then siya yung in charge before sa Miss International Queen. Kaya siya ganyan. Perfect!
But behind every empowered woman on this stage is a vision brought to life by each
Fans, become part of this amazing journey. Maya, the official voting partner of Miss Universe Philippines, gives you the power to choose our next representative.
La Union! Advancing to the next round is Miss Laguna!
Filipina stands tall, strong, grounded, and unforgettable. This is the Miss Universe Philippines Evening Gown Competition.
Cebu Province, Nicole Borromeo.
Wala, nag-blue siya. Cebu Province. Sabog sa April.
Cebu City, April School.
Oh my God! Oh my God! For me, ang top is Cebu. Cebu City. Saka Taguig, Surigao.
Thanks to the Trust Critical Code for helping our delegates achieve that.
Public votes. Our Miss Pina Beauty and first to enter the finals is Miss
Ay, Cebu Province, ano?
Sultan Kudarat.
May nakita na namin. Oo.
And now the other 6 delegates, guided by the voices of our judges. Your journey continues. Miss La Union!
Ako siya yun. Wala suspense. Wala suspense. Ayun, nakita yung tanong.
Still in the running is Miss
Taguig!
Cebu City!
Yes! Laban ko! Gusto may chance ko nung manalo.
You are one step closer to the crown. Miss
Cebu Province! Taguig!
Thailand! not done just yet. Miss Taguig! Claiming her place in the top 7, Miss
Cebu Province!
Cebu Province! Pandemonium here at the Moa Arena, completing our top 7 finalists. Shantae Yuste! Yes! Pampanga! There we have it, 7 remarkable Filipinas, each one closer to the crown than ever before. But only one will be crowned tonight. Again, congratulations to our top 7 finalists.
Bakit nalaglag si
But-
Baguio? Taguig!
Wala laglag si Baguio, guys.
You know her.
Let's go!
Hi, Miss Taguig. How are you right now?
Kinikilig ako. Being next to you, being an arena full of the most supportive Filipinos, I'm honored.
Well, here is your final question. Many Filipinos are getting frustrated with the country. For you, why is it still worth it to represent the Philippines on the global stage?
Our country is going through a crisis right now. And although this is something that is not new to us, I believe that I'm a representation of a Filipina who never gives up. I have stood on this stage before, but I came back not because this journey is easy, but because I believe that dreams are worth chasing.
Yes.
And I'm here before you because I want to prove that we Filipinos, although we may stumble or fall sometimes, we will always soar twice as high.
Okay, sana ko. Nahunyan si Musira. Taguig.
Up next, Miss Cebu Province
Ito pa!
is yours.
Isa pa, girl! Para lahat sumagot.
Let's go, Nicole!
Cebu Province, look forward to seeing you. Are you ready? Thank you so much. Again, I'm just keeping up with you all. Okay, are you ready for the final question? Okay, here we go. Many Filipinos are getting frustrated with the country. For you, why is it still worth it to represent the Philippines on the global stage?
As someone who has not only represented the country, I have lived what it means to be a Filipina. And I have seen the growth and the power that it takes to represent the country globally. The Philippines has so much to offer, not just the people, not just the stories, but our hearts. And that deserves to be spread all throughout the universe.
There we go, Miss Cebu Province. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Yes!
All right, one more lady left. Miss Pampanga, join me on the stage. Let's go. Many Filipinos are getting frustrated with the country. For you, why is it still worth it to represent the Philippines on the global stage?
I believe it is still very important to represent the Philippines in a global stage because the Philippines has so much to offer. From its beautiful mountains to its very beautiful beaches, the Philippines is such a beautiful country to live in. And I know that the most powerful tool that I have is to use my voice and be that example that we Filipinos are strong, independent, confident, and beautiful. Thank you.
There we have it, Miss Pampanga. Thank you so much. Thank you, ladies. Wow, 7 women remain. Amazing job tonight, ladies. You should be very, very proud. Let's now give our judges time to deliberate. Good luck, ladies.
And don't. Okay.
Now, before we crown a new queen, Miss Universe Philippines 2026 is...
Miss La Union!
Congratulations to our new Miss Universe Philippines 2026, Miss La Union! United on the global stage. Rita Summers, celebrating the strength, beauty, and power of every Filipina. Good night at mabuhay ang Filipina! Miss La Union, please take your first walk as Miss Universe Philippines 2026!
Guys, so we've just finished watching Miss Universe
Nanalo si
Philippines
Taguig.
2026 and the winner is La Union. What are your thoughts?
Wala, mas maganda.
Cebu City ako eh, pero
maganda
bet ko
sagot
rin
ni
naman si La
Taguig.
Union. Pero for me,
Maganda naman sagot ni La Union, pero mas bet ko yung sagot ni Taguig.
Oo, so
Maganda
we
si
have-
Taguig para sa akin.
we have a great chance at winning Miss Universe at Puerto Rico this year. So, yeah!
Saan ka ganapin?
Sa Puerto Rico.
Ay, talaga.
Yan, so hopefully ma-watch namin siya. Charot, pero
Buka na ng ticket.
hindi. Yeah, so let's see if we'll be able to make it dun sa Miss Grand International since sa Thailand na naman ginagawa yun. So, nandito pa rin kami sa venue, guys. Ayan siya.
Kaya matapos.
Hindi pa rin tapos. Congratulations to Team Miss Universe Philippines 2026 for having
Alright,
successful
Empire,
events.
let's go!
And congratulations to La Union for winning this year's Miss Universe Philippines title. So, yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys, and see you guys next